to move up our next trips. Get out of here and just catch a plane tonight. I mean, you've been fine this without surgery.
Okay, do it again.
Colostomy reversal is a very basic.
Do it again.
surgery. On a typical day, I might do
Pretty
2
good.
or 3 in a row. This was the surgery.
Go ahead, Lily.
Ready?
Let me see.
Ready?
Go. 1, 2, 3.
Anyway,
That's a good jump. You gonna do it again? Go ahead.
Speaking, she was getting a little stoma prolapse and some electrolyte.
Okay. Let's see you jump. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you are. Go ahead. Let me see you balance on there. Hold on. Wait.
Balance. Good dancing. Shimbot.
Get on there. Get on there.
Stand up in the cooking pot. Okay, come on.
Okay, you get it closer.
She do one.
Okay.
Table.
See this big jump. Look at that gap in there. Okay. 1,
2, 3.
All right.
Go.
Ugh. What a goofball.
Go.
Okay. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3,
Go.
boom.
Si bye-bye daw.
Okay, say bye.
Trukis.
No, do you say?
Trukis.
No, say Papa. Okay. Say car. Say ball. Say
Star.
Aunt Pam. Huh, that's good. Say star.
Moon.
Moon. Okay. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Whoops. That's a good drop of the camera. Say bye. No. Alexis, ready? Ready? 1. Boom. 2.